big W to get some Easter egg. Right, Holly? Say hi. Say let's go find some pajamas. Okay. Pajamas for Holly and Kuya's. Ngayon punta kami sa mga pajama. Size 4. Si Sal, paborito niya ang dinosaur. So, I'm just gonna get this one for him. And now then for Kuya TJ. What do you think of maybe this one? Towards a magic shop. We'll see if we can find something here. Sana nandun pa yung last year na ginamit na sa kanila. So, nauwi na kami, guys.
Happy Easter! Another fruit with Mom.
Yeah, I know.
Is there some in your one?
I don't know. Is that yours?
No, that's Holly.
Okay, give it to Holly.
Hey, look! Look! I'm going to look.
What?
No, the toy.
Yeah, I know. Give it to Holly.
Hey, I did it for you. Oh, it's too big.
Okay, find yours.
Yeah, there's one there. Uncle Nath.
Look for the eggs.
Get the eggs too.
I found one. I found a whole big one.
Wow.
Oh! I can't do it so much! Look at
See, ang dami, no? Ang dami.
Mommy, I got Humpty Dumpty.
Yeah.
Where's my egg? Oh, yeah.
Okay, go to Holly now.
I think they didn't die.
Where's Holly?
Come on, Daddy. Daddy, this door. What's in Holly?
Where's yours?
Mommy, this one's mine.
Where's Holly? Come on, Holly. Saka na sabi mo kanina?
This was Mama's rubbish. See?
Hey, Holly, ano na naman yan? What are you eating? Why?
Oh, yeah!
Are you eating your socks again? Huh? You want some of this? You want some of this?
Mommy?
Yes?
Ate the egg and be in the floor, then Jerry being in the floor. Mom! Are they not?
Are they? What did you say, Zach? Zach, we have to learn Tagalog because we're going to the Philippines.
Aren't they in the manga then?
No?
Not in Ate the bunny.
Yes. Remember, you have to speak Tagalog na kay
You
Mama.
did.
Are you so kuya?
No, you learned him when he was little.
Yeah, how about you speak to Mommy now?
Mommy,
Ano po yun?
I need to talk to you first.
Sige, ano yun?
Ow! I want to talk to you.
Yeah, ano yun?
Mommy, Mom,
Yes.
egg can be in the floor, then jelly bean can be in the floor, and kangaroo then bounce, then rabbit then bounce.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mom, Mommy.
They bounce.
Mom,
Yes.
no, jelly beans go outside on the floor when I was little, and we seen a whole basket of whole chocolate.
Yes. Dito kami ngayon sa playground. After ng egg hunting kanina, it was successful. Masaya naman yung mga bata. Ngayon, dito sila. Okay, run. Run. Go run. Go run. Kuya. You have to learn. Yes.
You know, I seen that man on the motorbike and he got to my seat and he was so creepy.
Oh.
That man on that motorbike.
Ah,
he got a creepy face.
Alright, so,
That guy.
yeah, where?
Oh, when we were
Adelaide?
no, we were. It was today.
Today.
Yeah. And he was so creepy.
Oh.
He's a creeper. No! Dad, we are not going to take
Hi guys, dito ako ngayon sa bedroom ko with my kids. What did you get?
a lot of chocolate
And-
and a dinosaur jammer.
And a dinosaur jam. Yeah, gamit niya na.
Humpty Dumpty.
Humpy Dumpy, yes. And then after that, where we went? We went for drive.
Where? The joke kid.
No, we went to the park. You play at the park, right? Yeah, we went to the park and then went to the seaside. Makikita nyo yun pag in-upload ko.
Why is that too loud?
Is it? Wow, it's alright. Honey's alright. So yeah, guys, ngayon, ngayon inaantok na sila. So yeah, say good night na. Yeah, isasara ko na tong vlog. I think this will be my first vlog na ipopost ko.
Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. Please subscribe our channel.
Okay, good night, guys.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night. Good night, Mom.
See you tomorrow, Zach. Good night.
Good night, Mom.